got home from the office, guys, and basically we're gonna be taking a look at the Lexus. Man, you guys love the Lexus. You guys actually thought it was an awesome car, but like I said in the past video, let me step away from the trunk because I got my key in the pocket, and you guys already know when I'm close to the trunk it opens up by itself. And annoying sometimes, Genesis, you know, on the later models have like a sensor on the floor where I can just kind of kick underneath and stuff, you know. A lot of people asked me on my last video, am I going to be replacing my Genesis? And that is a no, just no, I'm not replacing my Genesis whatsoever. I absolutely love this vehicle, Might be trading this out later, not yet, okay, I'm not too sure, okay, but not soon, you know, for something else, something bigger. You guys already know, you know, this is not gonna be my final car, but this is the car for me right now. I absolutely love it. But in the future, I might be, you know, trading this out. I don't know, I'm trying to move into the supercar market. That is my eventual plan, my eventual goal. You guys already know it. But yeah, this Genesis is definitely staying with me for right now. But on Lexus, I told you guys that I was going to change out the reverse lights on that bad boy because of the fact that they were yellow. On original cars, you guys already know it, on the Lexus, if you have a Lexus IS, they are, I believe even the other Lexus, they're all yellow lights, and it just looks really, really bad. You gotta change out to the white lights for the reverse backup lights. In this video, we're gonna be doing that. So let's just jump in straight into this video. Let's go, let's get to it. Hey guys, going Chris here, making more videos again. And today, guys, we have the Lexus. We're gonna be taking out the reverse lights off that bad boy into some nice white lights. So without further ado, let's get to it. I just forgot that I actually had something in the mail right here. You know what, let me let it open up by itself since it wants to all the time. There you go, look at that. I got something in the mail right here. It's not for everyone, but if you do require it, it'll be kind of fancy and handy. This is an aluminum laptop stand, okay? So let's just open this bad boy up and see what it's all about. Nothing in the box itself. Oh man, this you can tell is some heavy duty laptop. Oh my goodness. All the literature and how to set up and stuff is going to be in the back of the box, but we don't need that because it's so simple to use. The reason why I really require this is because, I mean, obviously, well, let me just, it's got some rubber feet in the bottom, so don't worry about it. I'm not scratching anything. And the reason why I require this is because it's a nice metal stand, and then when I'm in my office, I have my laptop here. You guys already know me, I love my MacBook for my on-the-go stuff. So quick story, guys, in my office I actually have two monitors, one right here, one right here. And when I'm doing my work, normally without this stand, I have to keep looking at my screens and it'll look down like this, okay? So the screen is normally lower. Definitely it's a first world problem, guys. I mean, you know what I mean? You're gonna have to look lower. But this, what it does is it keeps the eye level, you know, very nice and level. You know, once you're doing a lot of work on here, on this monitor, going back to here, when you keep doing this, it's much nicer than when you keep doing this, you know what I mean? So that's why I needed a laptop stand to get this raised higher so that it's a fluid motion like this, not looking at these two monitors and then going down, looking at the monitor down there. Beautiful, this works well. This is high quality aluminum. I wanted aluminum because it matches with my MacBook. Looks very beautiful, very classy. Let me take this bad boy off. It has rubber feet everywhere and just looks pretty dang cool. So you guys already know me. I'm gonna leave the link to the laptop stand in the description section of the video below. Definitely for a niche market, I definitely need it. Pretty lightweight, durable, and gets the job done. Okay, I'll be putting that in my office later. It's pretty awesome. Now let's go ahead and check out that Lexus and show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, we are at the back of the vehicle right now, and we're going to be changing these two bulbs right here, the reverse bulbs. There's one right here and then one right here. I still don't know why car manufacturers do this, even on a luxury brand. All the other lights are pretty good, okay? Everything else is pretty nice. They're perfectly fine, but these are yellow and they just look so bad. It's a beautiful car, but then the yellow lights on this guy just make it look terrible. And I'm going to show you how the yellow lights look right now. And if you go to the back of the car, they look like this, just, you know, just plain yellow bulbs. Don't really do that much justice in terms of making the car look better. Just plain and yellow, as you can see. I don't like that. I know you don't like that. We're gonna be changing it out. Let's do it. Okay, so make sure the vehicle is off. Make sure the lights are off, especially make sure, you know, there's no power going to the lights pretty much. And we're gonna be opening up the trunk right here. Let's open the bad boy up. And in this case, all we're gonna need is the actual bulb and a tool like a screwdriver or something like that. In my case, I'm using this bad boy right here. This is a special tool. You do not require this, okay? Honestly, I wouldn't even use this if I didn't have this. Yeah, so you do not require this. You just need a normal screwdriver. So first off, let me just open this bad boy right here. Let me just show you. Fluid LEDs always come in these nice little boxes right here. It's got the literature right here. As you can see, nice little literature going on. Thank you note. And it comes with nice foam right here, and also obviously the actual bulbs themselves. I've taken one of them out of the package, and you can see how absolutely beautiful these bad boys look. Look at how many actual LED chips they are actually on here, guys. Amazing. There's like 6 in the top, 9 right there, 9 on the other side, 3 on each of these sides. Oh my god, a lot of chips, lots going on right here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We're gonna put these in these guys, take out the yellow ugly bulbs and make it look sharp. Let's get to it. All right, first things first, what you're gonna want to do is, in any vehicle, to be honest, okay, this is just on a Lexus, every single vehicle is very similar. I mean, you got the Lexus right here, and the bulbs are right here on the trunk itself. You have the Genesis right here, the bulbs are right here on the trunk itself. Every vehicle is very similar, okay? And all you do in every single vehicle pretty much is remove this like hard felt cover right here. Removing this right here is really simple. Now, you don't have to remove the entire felt cover, okay? Because the bulb is going to be like right here. You do not require to remove all of it. If you want to remove all of it and you don't want to bend this thing, you know, while you're working on the bulb, you definitely can remove each and every one of these things and then put every one of them back. In my situation, from what I've done in the past and everything like that, I normally just take out a few of these bad boys right here and replace it. It's really that simple. So we're gonna use this tool right here to remove these guys right here, and it's really simple to remove it with a screwdriver. You just put it in between like so, yank it out, you know, you're done, you're good to go. Now in the Lexus situation, guys, it is actually that simple. You just pull it out like so. Some cars you might have to push a button and pull it out. Some cars you might have to do something. Make sure you just know how to pull it out, but they're just clips. They're clip-ons, clips, and they're made to hold these things in efficiently at a low cost. Don't try to break these things, because I mean, you can buy them online, no big deal, but if you do break them, but try not to break them. So for the purposes of the video, to be honest, I'm gonna take off some more of these guys to give you a better look. And the last one right here, let's go. Okay, as you can see, I've taken a few of them off just to get a, you know, better angle at this bad boy right here. Now to take out the actual bulb, all you have to do literally is just twist this bad boy in place like that, and you can hear it click, and then you just basically take the bulb out slowly, carefully. There we go. You just take it out like so, and there you have the original bulb. You just pull these bad boys off, like as you can see. You take off the original bulb. All right, so I got the two bulbs side by side. As you can see, this is the original bulb, this is the new bulb. They have a very similar footprint. It's gonna fit in there perfectly fine and give it the awesome bright light that we all want. So putting the LED inside the actual housing is as simple as just doing the reverse, pretty much plugging it back in, putting it back, and twisting it in place. As you can see, the LED bulb is in there. Another trick I like to do is, once I actually put it in there, I like to test it out, make sure it actually works, and you can see how bright it is. I'm trying to take it out of the camera, but this is gonna be ridiculously bright, guys. So let's put it in the housing and let's see how they look. Before I actually put it in, I want to show you that's how the bulb actually looks before you actually put it into the housing. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, the LED bulb is back in place. Make sure you twist it, make sure it's not coming out. So now let's go to the other side. Let's do the exact same thing. Close the trunk and see how these lights look. Let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, I've already installed everything. Let me just show you real quick. Everything is back in place. Everything is good, crystal clear, ready to go. Now let's go check it out, how they look. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. And this is in broad daylight. This is what I want to see. I want it to be nice and white and not yellow. We all know that yellow just makes it look bad. You already saw in the beginning of the video. Check it out once again and see the difference. Now we're gonna take it out at night and see how these bad boys perform at night, guys. I know they're gonna perform well. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Love this thing. Alrighty, let's go take it out at night and see how they look. Alrighty, guys, we have the vehicle right here at night. You guys have seen the nighttime review of this. This is an absolutely beautiful car. I mean, seriously. But this time, we're gonna go to the back of the vehicle. Let's go to the back of the vehicle. So here is the back of the vehicle. As you can see, it's really dark out here. We want to make sure the reverse lights that we installed are going to be, you know, bright and good and really nice looking at the same time. So what we're gonna do is have the reverse light turn on, and let's see how beautiful they look. Oh my gosh, look at how bright those reverse lights are. I mean, seeing is really believing, guys. And I kid you not, look at the back here. You guys saw how dark it was, and now you get to see how bright it is. I'm actually gonna show you. I'm gonna turn off the reverse lights right now. Turn off the reverse lights. Look at this. Look how dark it is right here, guys. Look, it's so dark, but once you turn on the reverse lights, look at this beautiful white light. But that's not the best part. The best part is that it looks modern, it looks clean, it looks crisp, just looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I love this. If you have any car and you have white lights like this for the reverse lights, you're gonna see better, first of all, but then also your car is gonna look amazing. I'm absolutely loving it. Links are in the description below. Make sure you go check it out. Absolutely beautiful. I love it, and I know you will love it. Alrighty, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase that bad boy is gonna be in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the LEXUS changing out the reverse lights. Reverse lights are pretty easy to change out. You just have to figure out where the bulb is, pull it out, replace it, and you're done. It's really that simple. Probably definitely one of the easier things to replace on a vehicle. I'm gonna leave the links to those bulbs in the description, as well as the laptop stand, and also links to my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are gonna be in the description as well. Make sure you go check it out. But there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure to click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep your share saying thanks for watching and peace.